When you're putting in the system, they say you can't, the manufacturer doesn't want you to put a window in it, but it'll be fine as long as you take certain precautions. So put the rails on the way they tell you in the instructions. So I won't go through all that. They look just like that. And then when you get to the window part, put in, you'll be using like a 1/2-inch piece. I'll know exactly, this is what I had on hand. So I used a 1/2-inch piece here. But it may be 5/8 or something. I don't know yet. So at this point, 1/2 inch is what I have. And then for the rest of the window, here are your tile layout. Your tile layout is going to go from here to here. And so I don't have nothing in that void because you have the little reset place where you put the screw. I'll show you that in a little bit. But anyway, for now, as far as the framing is concerned, you want to have, as soon as you get past the place where the tiles are going to be, it turns into a void again. So run a couple of horizontals and then a vertical along your window, just like that. Okay, so this thing will look just like that on both sides, and that way it's super solid. All right, when you're all done with the job, that window will be totally wrapped and solid, ready to go for your trim. I got some trick trim for it too, so it should be awesome. But anyway, that's how to do it. If you got any questions, put them down below. But I'll give you a little more answers as we go through.